Hey guys, this is Jason from the Tech Bookshelf at www.techbookshelf.com, and this is the unboxing of the new Apple iPad. So let's get the cover off here. And sitting prominently right on top, there it is. You can see me videoing here. It also comes with power adapter and sync cable. Okay, so here we have iTunes up and running here, and I've got the device which has a nasty little glare from the light. Let me hook up the cable here. Okay, just hooked it up. There's a little Apple logo as it boots up. Up on the screen came iPad. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we have synced up a bunch of stuff. It's now nighttime here, and I'm gonna unplug the iPad. I've also got a case on it, and turn it on. Let's see here. So you can see I got a few screens full of stuff. Some of these apps are original iPod apps or iPhone apps, and some of them are made specifically for the iPad. I'm gonna set the case up here so we can see it a little better. Hold on. There we go. One of the first things I wanted to show you is this is an actual iPhone app, but it's the March Madness app for the iPhone. But here's what it normally looks like. And with this little button down here at the bottom, you can expand it. And Duke in West Virginia is going on right now, so we're on Wi-Fi. We can play it. This is what the video quality looks like. But you can see the size of my hand, how big this is. And it's good quality, so you could watch something like this, even though it's low res, made for the iPhone. Looking at some of the other apps, oh, this is really cool. This is the Netflix app. So if we go in, brings up the Netflix menu, kind of like you're on the web page here. And let's just pick a movie like War Games. And it's loading the movie, as you can see at the top. So I can scrub at the top here. Take it to 14 minutes, somewhere around there, 15 minutes. It's going to rebuffer, and then it should start playing. So that's pretty nice. As you can see again, here's how big the size of my hand. The New York Times app. Here we go. So it looks like a real newspaper. We can scroll through, and let's say I want to pick this article here. Kind of like reading an actual newspaper. Go to the technology section. Seems like the technology section is dominated by the iPad today. Same with the New York Times app, or the Wall Street Journal app, I should say. It looks very much like a newspaper. It's loading it up here. And the cool thing about some of these apps is they now have video inline.
Showrooms in the next 12 months from a variety of both established and entrepreneurial car makers.
Pretty
Unlike
sweet.
all electric vehicles,
A couple of my favorites, Evernote is my absolute favorite app on the iPhone. So you can see here's all my notes. So if I go to, say, details on Latin America, here's my notes from my recent Latin America trip. And I've got, say, site information from the Puerto Rico site. I can flip it down like this, and it gives me a nice little side view here. Some of the standard stuff that comes on the iPhone, photos. So I can sort by albums or events. I'll sort by events here. And look at, say, pictures from Vegas. First off, let me show you how you can go. Squeeze and kind of look. And expand there. There's a picture of Hoover Dam. If you go across the bottom here, you can see it brings up a little slide rule thing. I can scroll through the pictures pretty quickly. At home, we've also got videos here. So you can see this is the video screen. Here's all the videos I've got on here. So let's pick a live action one here. Burn after reading. We're going to play it. Scrub to another point.
Osborne Cox. Yes, yes. Hello, it's Osborne Cox. Who the are you?
Whoops, I have to edit that out. The final thing, one of the main reasons I bought this was the Kindle app. So here's the Kindle app. Yes, we're going to sync to the furthest page. Looks pretty much like, it's hard to see here, but we can change the size of the font here. Put it white on black, black on white, sepia, so it looks like old style pages. Control the brightness. It's very nice and very much like the standard app for the iPhone. There was one more thing on the iPad I wanted to show you, and that was I wanted to do a typing test here. So I'm going to go into Notes, and this is a new note. I'm going to change it to this layout so you can see how the keyboard lays out here. Just so you can see me type. We'll see how fast I do here. I'm going to type, here we go. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So I made one mistake in that, but you saw how quickly I typed that. It says the quick brown fox jumped over the last dog. So just like with the iPhone, I can go in here and I can replace. That's actually cool. None of these actually work out, so I could just move it here on top, backspace and select Y, ZY, lazy dog, and it's so I'll have a full review of the iPhone or the iPad coming up later this week. But for now, that's my unboxing.